Good evening. Welcome to the next video tutorial, that is a bind drop-down list inside GridView in ASP.NET. After prepare the GridView columns, you can bind the GridView first. So if is not equals to post, page dot is pass back. Not equals to page dot is pass back. Then bind the grid view with the dataset. So create a method declaration part. Now create a method definition. Oops, it's not there in Visual Studio 2015. So quick action: generate the sign of the electricity bulb. Yeah, that is sign of electricity bulb. Yeah, public void bind grid view. Here we can create a connection between the SQL connection class and the command class and retrieve the data from the database tables. So please look like. Please follow my instructions to do this task. Con.connection string equals to configuration manager dot connection string. Con.open SQL command class. This class is used to create a query with the database table. So command.text equals to select a string from country table. Command.connection equals to con SQL data adapter. D equals to new SQL data adapter. Associate with the command. Now fill the SQL data adapter to the dataset. So dataset, which is available in system.data namespace, new dataset. So da.fill dataset. After fill the dataset, you can close the connection because dataset work in offline as well as online mode. So con.close. Bind the grid view with the dataset. So grid view 1 dot data source to dataset ts. Now create a connection string with the SQL data source. This connection string actually save in the web.configuration file. So after finish it, you can remove easily. Now paste inside the connection string. You can run this code easily because your grid view is bind with the data source. Now after bind the data source, we will bind the drop down list with the state table. So if e dot row type equals to data control row dot data row type dot data row, first of all find the control that is drop down list. So connection open, SQL command cmd equals to new SQL command. Find the table with the state, so where the country ID picks from the GridView row. So DDL is a drop down list. So find the drop down list. So drop down list e dot row dot find control. The name ID property of the drop down list picks from source. Copied it and paste it here. That means you can access the drop down list from the code file. Now access the country ID from the grid view after bind. So country ID equals to convert dot to integer 32. E dot row dot cells, that is 0 dot text. In the state tables, our name is the country ID. So country ID equals to plus the integer variable country ID. what is the actual problem. So command connection, it's command text. cmd dot connection equals to con. The same procedure will apply which is mentioned above code. After this you can paste it. SQL data adapter, SQL data adapter command, da.field ds, con.clause, ddl.data source equals to dataset, ddl1 dot data bind, ddl dot item dot insert, number of index is 0, and what is the item insert at index 0, that is a select. Now run the code. In the browser, so first to add some data in the database table. And head is 111 and DC DE which is inside in country ID 2. Okay, now run this application. Yeah, select system.data row, save. Oh, and not associate data text field and data value field to the drop down list. Yeah, after the data set, find ddl.data source equals to ds, pass the data text and data value field, ddl dot data text field equals to name of the column of the state, detail dot data value field equals to state ID, match with the column name, that is the state name and the state ID. Now run it again. Yeah, ABC, thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Thank you.